Okay, ran out of time, so I restarted the camera. And I suspect that the camera will get better video if I move the camera over to this side instead, because I'm right-handed. And again with the 7-to-1 mild detergent. And I'll probably use this video to see if I can get a like a sponsorship or some kind of a financial agreement with BioGreen Clean. But now that I've already gone through with the wire scrubby, I'll go through with this old scrubby, and that should help push more germs down the drain. Now some microbes are still going to be living on this sink, and that's because I'm not disinfecting the sink. And I'm not disinfecting the sink because I'm not sick. There's nothing in this apartment been making me sick for quite a while. I haven't lived here for 2 decades, but for the years that I've been living here, I haven't gotten sick. And so since I haven't gotten sick, that leads me to believe that the microbes that are on my body and that are in my kitchen are doing good things on my behalf. So until I get sick, I don't want to kill them. I'd like for them to keep doing whatever it is that they're doing, eating whatever it is that they're eating, probably other microbes, probably microbes that are no good for me. That have followed me home from places that I work at, the ones that are no good for me. The ones that are good for me are devouring them and keeping my kitchen fairly clean and healthy. Now, because I've never had to use the Clorox products on these countertops, I don't even know, or the bleach products, I should call them the bleach products. Because I've never gotten sick in this apartment and needed to use the bleach products on these countertops, I don't even know if the bleach products are safe for these particular countertops, but I suspect that they are because the bleach product says to go ahead and use them on countertops. But I'll probably test it out in an inconspicuous area just to make sure before I put the bleach products all over the kitchen counters when the time arrives that I've gotten sick from the coronavirus, which will almost certainly happen because I work at a grocery store, or what can be considered a grocery store. Nice clean sink. I'm going to move on to the countertops. I almost never use the full strength bottom. The thing that I found the full strength bottle to be really helpful for is like when I cook a turkey, that turkey grease is real hard to remove from the pan. The full strength BioGreen Clean is very helpful for that. So again, this is not to disinfect, this is just to clean with the 7-to-1 ratio of mild detergent. And I can feel that there's some resistance as I go on the countertop here. So the countertop is dirtier than I'd like to leave it. I wouldn't call it germy. I would just call it dirtier than I'd like to leave it. So I'm going to spray again and let it sit on there for a while. So maybe dissolve whatever muck might be on there. Move this right into here. Move that. And while this countertop soaks, I'll move on to this part of the countertop. I think now it'd be best for me to move the king. Because I'm right-handed, let's try leaving it like that. Get another bit of spray on here too, because I'm feeling some resistance on that countertop. Move on over here. Got something really nasty right here, really stuck. Soak this again. Okay, so now that this countertop has been soaking for a while, let's go ahead and feels like it's got much less resistance now. Okay. Over here. Okay. Good enough for me to start working on my dishes. I don't have a dishwasher, but I'd like my countertops to be clean before I put my clean dishes on my countertops, and then I'll eventually dry them off, put them away. But the only microbes that they'll be hitting, or the vast majority of the microbes that my clean plates will be picking up from the countertops, will be frank-friendly microbes. All right. That's it. Now I can start working on my dishes. Okay. The other dishes. One favorite dish. Try to find, I've got two of those. I don't know where the other one went. Okay, I think my meal that I'll make before I go into work is going to be a big salad, so I need a big pot. More than I need that dish. So. And again, this is a 7-to-1 mild detergent. And because this scrubby just saw some really nasty sink cleaning, I'm going to go ahead and throw this scrubby out because I've got more. Nice 8-pack of scrubbies. Brand new. No nastiness on that whatsoever. So I guess the main reason why I'm leaving the camera running is just to emphasize that the cleanser that I use for my countertops is as mild as dishwashing detergent. You know, I'm not afraid to use my bare hands with it. I don't intend for it to kill any kitchen germs. Instead, what I intend for it to do is keep alive the microbiome that has already formed on my kitchen counters, which has proven itself over time to be Frank friendly. Me being Frank and me being the person that it seems to be protecting, because I haven't been sick enough in 2 decades to need to call in sick at work. So that's it. I think I'll go ahead and turn off the camera and have a good day. Bye.